Microphone check. 1, 2. Check, check. All right. Oh, let me start the timer. 4 minutes, 20 seconds until we begin. Oh man, did I forget to do the daily yesterday? I'm pretty sure I didn't do the dang daily yesterday, man. Jeez, I gotta set like a reminder. Oh man. Anyways, let me set my windows up. Also, let me try my new chat command. Oh, that works. Anyways, I think I'm ready. Oh wait, my YouTube chat. I gotta get that ready. What else do we need? Got my Twitch chat, my YouTube chat, my website. JCast19, what's happening? What's that long man? That's my latest YouTube shorts, man. What you talking about? You know what long is. Do you do? Thought it was a link to long man? Man, it is a link to long man. Let me just make sure I type it one more time. Yeah, you know, I'm trying to do the whole YouTube thing. I'm trying to like be consistent uploading shorts for now. Maybe I'll transition into like long form videos. DevGod 2020, what's happening? My PP size is the maximum value possible for an on-side long. Is that in like nanometers, man? Or what? Welcome to the party, DevGod. How you doing? I'm happy to hear about your unsigned long. Wait, how big is an unsigned long? Dang. That is, I don't even know how to call this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 zeros. What do you call a number with 18 zeros, man? A gazillion. Even if it was nanometers, that's still pretty long. Man, Ola, we them boys. What's happening? Unsigned long, is that a euphemism? I don't think so. That's real deal. Oh, snap. We're ready. I'm ready. I'm ready in 15 seconds. Just check the reel, yeah, man. JCast19, do you like that? Pat plays that all the time on his stream, man. Oh, I'm so happy Pat likes the long stuff. Man, that commercial is lit though. It's like a whole series. If you haven't watched the full long man YouTube commercials, I think there's like 6 or 7 episodes, but it's all in one like 6-minute YouTube video. You should watch the whole thing, man. It's like a mini show or a mini series. It's pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Best commercial out there? Yeah. Nah, there's a few other good ones, but I think for sure Long Long Man is one of my favorite commercials of all time. Anyways, I think we're a movie about slightly suggestive yet really funny chewing gum commercials. Man, it's not chewing gum. Even though it looks like chewing gum, it's more like I don't know, like gummy worms or something. Man, I had some of that candy like a couple weeks ago. Maybe I'll go buy some, and this weekend maybe I'll eat some long candy on stream. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a point to go buy some of that candy after work tomorrow. Anyways, what are we doing? We're doing some LeetCode. My keyboard is all crooked. All right. Ad break. You should do a YouTube short on long dates type, but the catch is you eat the long candy while you teach. Yeah, maybe. That sounds like a good idea. Asia C Mac in the house. What's happening, Asia C Mac? How you doing? I will spam long all stream. Nice. Thank you, JCast19. I'm actually very proud of that reel. I put a lot of effort into editing that dang video. I think I spent like 2, maybe 3 hours trying to edit that video. You know, I'm like very new to video editing, so it took me a while. But I thought it was funny. I don't know how YouTube is receiving it though, because it's not like a well-performing video, even though I just posted it like less than 24 hours ago. L Minson, how are you doing? What's happening? Ad break. Maybe everyone's on an ad break. All right, man, I missed yesterday's daily. Let me see what it was though. Smallest string starting from a leaf. Anyways, that looks good thing I missed it. Nitish S from YouTube. What's happening? All good doing LeetCode. L Minson, what type of LeetCode? Like, are you doing a daily problem? Are you just grinding? Have you been taking a contest? What's your body count on LeetCode? How many problems have you solved? I'm curious, man. Island perimeter. You're given row call grid representing a map where grid ij equal 1 represents land and grid ij equals 0 represents water. Grid cells are connected horizontally vertically, not diagonally. The grid is completely surrounded by water, and there's exactly one island, that is one or more connected land cells. The island doesn't have lakes, meaning the water inside isn't connected to the water around the island. One cell is a square with side length 1. The grid is rectangular. Width and height don't exceed 100. Determine the perimeter of the island. Soccer Star 4268. Thank you very much for the follow. Random, medium, and easy. Nice. It's crazy. 2024 grind. I have 342 problem solved now. I just joined the 100k club for rank. 100k club. What type of rank are you talking about, DevGod? Are you talking about global ranking for the contest, or are you talking about problem solved rank? This one. There's like 2 ranks. global for the problem. Oh, you mean the like this one here, the one under your username is for problem solves, and this one here is for the contest. Okay, so the problem solve rank. Dang. 7K player here. Yeah, I'm trying to get on up. Oh man, piss bucket. What's happened? What kind of name is that, man? I already did this one. Nice. Sometimes it's good to redo problems to see if you solve it similar or differently, or like if you can implement it without any errors. So I don't mind redoing problems. Contest time 1521. I see. Hey, you know that problem with swapping batteries and calculating runtime? Do you manage to solve that one? Nah, man. that one was too hard for me, I think. I think I just kind of gave up. Rank like 49,000. Man. I don't know if that's good or bad because it doesn't really tell you out of how many, you know. I imagine it's because they don't want to reveal how many people are on the website or something. That's what my mom and dad names me. Yeah, right. All right, let me do the daily problem real quick. So I think all we got to do is I don't even know how to do this. I'm thinking DFS, and then I guess I'll just mark cells as seen because I don't want to wait. No. DFS, and every time I hit water, I add 1 to the parameter. I think that's all I gotta do, man. Gims, what's happened? I gotta rename variable Hawaii. I mean the grid, rename it to Hawaii. I only had 192 LeetCode problems. Dang. 40. I mean, I guess we could find out how many people if we just made a new account. Smart Coder in the house. What's happening, Smart Coder? Island problem, gotta have some island. I guess so. But I suppose Hawaii is a chain of islands. It's not one island, right? Anyways, how are we gonna solve this? DFS style. What do we need? Row, we need column. What do we do in our DFS? Maybe we can be like, if we're out of bounds, so if row is less than 0 or row is greater than equal to wait, let me get these in here. So if row is less than equal to rows, we're out of bounds and we can increment our answer. If columns is out of bounds, then we can also increment our answer. DFS lambda, getting fancy up in here. Yeah, that's because BetSimp has shown me the way. DeLorean 55 is back. What's happening? How you doing? What are we doing? Oh yeah, so if we go out of bounds, that is 1 added to the parameter every time we go out. And also, if we touch some water, so like if Hawaii row column is 0, that means it is water. And we should also like, oh wait, should be returning here. We should also increment the answer and return. And then we just want to go DFS up, down, left, right. So I'll just call DFS and I'll go row +1, column. Well, I'll go, yeah, +1, -1. And I think this is going down, up, right, left. And then this will just increment the perimeter. And I think that's it. Zombie killer whale, what's happening? You live in Osaka? Not anymore. I used to live in Osaka for a bit. Now I live in New York City. JCast19, thank you very much for showing that reel. All right, I think this is it. I hope that's it. Oh, come on, man. We should have made a bet. Should have made a bet. Maybe next time. Wait. Did it work? Line 25. Did I press submit? Oh, man. Get this guy out of here, man. Ep10 in the house. What's happening? Man, I didn't even call the dang thing. Oh, wait. Man, I'm not even done. I'm not even done. Another wave of Google layoffs. Yeah, man, everyone's having layoffs. I've seen, I mean, Tesla. There was like Apple. There was like AWS last week. I guess Google had some today. I'm sure some other companies are coming soon. Osaka cheaper than New York for sure. Osaka is real cheap, man. Yeah, I didn't even finish this problem. I don't know why I submitted. I'm tripping over here. I need to iterate through. Visit each cell. If we are at a Wasser, then I need to DFS, and then I can just return the answer. What's the complexity? Well, it would be, wait, I can't solve the easy problem. What is happening to me today? If we're out of bounds, oh, I need my scene. Man, I forget to do everything. I guess I can just mark it as 2 if it's seen or something. What a terrible, what a terrible start to my LeetCoding day. I'm too anxious to just get it over with. Q Ultimus in the house. What's happening, Q? All right. What is the complexity? So this time complexity would be O of rows times columns, because we're visiting every single cell. Worst case scenario, we only have one island in the bottom right cell, so that means we'd have to visit basically all the cells in the grid to figure out what the perimeter is. And then we're using no extra space except for the stack, the call stack. So I suppose that's O rows, columns, time and space. Anyways, prediction for the next run. You mean the next problem? Should we do it? Oh wait, I gotta post my solution because I'm supposed to be doing that every day. C++ DFS with, wait, lambda DFS. No need to pipe down the grid. Scope threat, thank you very much for the follow. Intuition, I don't know what. Approach, visit every cell. Wait, what's the approach? I guess we iterate through all the cells As soon as we see a cell that is land, then we begin our DFS from there. Since there is only one island, as soon as the DFS is finished, we can just return the answer. I used a lambda here because it is cool. What's our time complexity? O rows time calls. Space. Because of call stack. All right. That's it. That's all. Intuition on Twitch. Oh yeah. Wait, maybe I should put like step 1, step 2, step 3. Tune into Twitch and watch me solve problems live every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. That is it. All right, we're done. We're done here. Here's my solution. If y'all want to upvote that solution, it will help grow this community. If you want to upvote the long video, I will appreciate that very much. Trying to get some traction on YouTube. And that's it, man. I guess we can either do LeetRooms or I can do zerotrac. I don't know which one to do. Maybe we can chess puzzle racer. Nah, man. Nice video. The real Raymond Jones. What's happening, man? 10K views on the short is nice. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, that was the first shorts I did. The second one, though, the long one, I don't think it has performed as well as the first one. But maybe we'll see how time is to it, you know. Join LeetRooms. So you're saying we should do a LeetRooms? I prefer the long one. It's funny. Thanks, man. I also think it's funny, man. But I don't think the YouTubers think it's funny. Maybe they're not on the inside joke. I feel you don't really have to be on the inside joke to get that joke, though. Or maybe it's just not that funny. Unless you're a super nerd. Or something. Anyways, LeetRooms. Is it enabled? Yo, they call me Alex. Thank you very much for the hydrates. Cheers. Deepak Victor, welcome to the party. How are you doing? Haters gonna hate? Yeah. That's how it goes, man. That's how content creation goes. All right, LeetRooms. Turn it on. Flumsy said LeetRooms, how it was glitching out last time. He says he's fixed it, so it shouldn't be glitching out anymore. All right, I'll create the LeetRooms. Should we have all these topics? Yeah, I guess so. Right? I don't want any design ones though. All right, that's good. Maybe we'll do 60 minutes. I feel like 45 minutes just a little bit too short. All right, here we go. Here we go. Dang, long man cracks me up. Spoopty. Me too, man. Thanks. I thought I thought that video is like the best work I've ever done in my whole life, but I don't think I don't know if it's true. All right. Oh, Brett's in the house. Deepak Victor in the house. The zombie killer whale in the room. All right, what problems do we got? We got sum of digits of string after convert. Man, we just did this one. Like, I don't even know when we did it, but was it like a daily yesterday or 2 days ago? We got number of 0 filled subarrays. I'm just going to submit this. We got disconnect path in a binary matrix by at most 1 flip. And we got maximize the minimum powered city. 10 out of 10. One of the best. Thank you very much for the kind words, man. I appreciate that. All right, let's try to do Q2. Barreled out. What's happening? Welcome to the party. How am I doing? Everything's good. What? You trying to do? Man, I can't even name a variable that. Oh, look what we got, man. We got a dang long on Q2. You think I'm gonna get an integer overflow here? Hopefully not. Let's see. Given an array nums, return the number of subarrays filled with zeros. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within the array. Okay, so I think I can solve this. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna hide this for a bit while I solve this problem. So I think I know immediately how to solve it, and I think it's just from experience. But I'll say it's just like the streaks, the 0 streak, I guess. Yeah. So let me just implement that real quick. So we're saying if this is equal to a 0, we'll increment our streak. Otherwise, it's at 0, and we just add the streak every time. All right, that problem not so bad, but man, I've solved it a year ago. Yeah, that's just seen that pattern so many times. I don't really forget that one. Next problem. Wait, that's an XKCD reference? Is that comic thing? I guess I don't. I haven't seen that one. I've seen a few of them. All right, what we got here, man? Disconnect path in a binary matrix by at most 1 flip. You're given a 0 indexed m by n binary matrix grid. You can move from a cell row call to any of the cells row plus 1 call or row call plus 1 that has a value 1. The matrix is disconnected if there is no path from 0, 0 to the bottom right. You can flip the value of at most 1, possibly none, cell. You cannot flip the cells top left, bottom right. Return true if it is possible to make the matrix disconnect or false otherwise. Note that flipping a cell changes its value from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0. How are we gonna do this one, man? I don't have any great ideas initially, but I think we can probably science our way through it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be away. I should probably just put it on the website now. I'm gonna be away for like a little bit over a week. I will be away from April 25th to May 3rd. Yeah. There it is. I'm going to be away. All right, back to this problem. So how do we know, man? I guess if there's only one way to get to the end, then you can flip one cell. But if there's like multiple ways to get to the end, so it's 1,000 by 1,000. So maybe, yeah, maybe I can just like DP number of ways to get from the top left to the bottom right. And then if there's only one way, we can return true. If there's multiple ways, no, that's not always true, huh? Yeah, I don't think that's always true. Man. Preet Patel from YouTube. What's happened? How you doing? Oh man, should I post the LeetRooms code in YouTube? I don't know if anyone here. LeetRooms. That's where we got some extension going on. Jeez. How do you know? Oh, look who it is. Flumsy is in the house. Flumsy is the person who's created this extension that we're using. Let me look at the scoreboard. Oh, Brett solved 2. Zombie Killer Whale 2. Deepak Victor, first one. Working on the second one. Very nice. I'm trying to think about this third one, but it's difficult, man. Maybe what can we do? How do we know that there's one thing that if we take it away, oh, I think I have an idea. No. All right, my idea was, I don't think it will work, but my idea was to like, no. Like every time we're at a 1, DFS in up, down, and then see like, well, DFS in one direction, anyone that's touching the cell, and then if it touches the other, dang, that's loud. Don't defense wants to do a little type racer. So, all right, let's do type racer. Who's here for type racer? Anybody? Don't defense gonna get an easy win? Jesus Christ. What? No bet on me today, not feeling 100%. Dang, Q, sorry to hear that, man. Are you sick? Do you got some type of sickness right now? Hopefully it's only me here. Nah, that's no way to win a trophy. The type racer sound? Oh, yeah, maybe my type racer sound is like too loud. Maybe I should turn it down, but it's to let everybody know that we got a race going on. It was loud for me too. Bilal from YouTube, what's happening? How you doing? Turn down for what? Man, Gims, you're showing your age out here. Pankaj, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. Pankaj, dang, I got a question for you. I remember you changed your username, man. What was your old username? I was trying to remember, but no, I don't remember. Was it Taskmaster65? Oh, it was Hagoo. It was Hagoo. That's right, man. I was trying to remember the other day. I was like, dang, what was Pankaj's name before he changed it? Thank you. Bilal. I love the way you emphasize buying my name. Wait, am I not supposed to? Is it like Bilal? Tariq Williams, welcome to the party. We're about to do a little type racer. Anyways, no bets. Let's just race. The 100 IQ. What's happening? Welcome to the party. And if anyone from YouTube wants to type race, there's the link. The first race is the warm-up. The second race is the championship round. Champions go up on my website. Every single champion goes up on the website. All right. Oh, man, I'm not logged in. Don't you worry. It's just a warm-up. Man, this makes me not want to drink wine. But I guess I know. I already knew that. That Q3 is a 2400. I'm giving up. Dang. Good thing you told me, AKSR. Because I think I'd have tried it for a long time. But maybe I will actually try it for a bit. I got caught up on that first parentheses. Yeah. Any weird symbols gives me a lot of trouble too. But don't you worry, man. That was just a warm-up. Let me see who's in here. All you guests, you gotta log in, man. All of you guests, you need a type racer account, and you gotta log in so we know who you are, and it makes it a lot more fun. So this is Q. This is Piss Bucket, Spoopdy up in here. And then we got like 5 guests. Yeah, man, that Q3, 2400. I'm gonna still give it some thoughts though, because maybe it's possible to solve it. You know, we'll see. All right, championship round coming up. This is where champions are made. Oh, first place just by a hair, man. But it doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning is winning. That's what Vin Diesel says, man. Look at that. 106 second place. 106 first place. It's been a long time since I won a dang Type Racer championship. Spoopdy 101. Very nice. Who's that guess with the 106, by the way? Me, who is Vin Kerosene? What? What are you talking about, man? Oh, look at that. Taskmaster. I knew that was also your name. So you're Hagu, Taskmaster, and Pankaj. Alright. Looks like I'm the champ. I gotta put my name up on my own board. Type Racer champ for April 17th. I almost lost it to guest. I hate losing to guests, man. It's like my worst fear is having to write a guest on my board. What was that, 106? Easy work, easy work. That's a conflict of interest? Nah, man. This is legit. Super legit, man. Look how many championships I've won. Oh, wait. None? Wait, there's an underscore in my name. I knew that. Man, I can't keep track of when I use underscores and when I don't. I think I don't use underscores usually, but whenever it's taken, I just put the underscore in. So it's like sometimes it has underscores, sometimes it doesn't, you know. Is Type Racer the most popular website? Bailal, what do you mean most popular website? I mean it's a popular website, but I don't know. Man, who is Pa? Somebody named Pa? Did I mess up my website? Anyways. Where were we at? I think we're trying to do this problem here. 2400 rated problem. Check your version history, man. Maybe I might have to go to like Wayback Machine. That's my version history. Bailal. What? Talking about that guy's name? So neon sign without the underscore was taken? Nah, I think my Twitch name has the underscore. So that's just my Twitch name, man. Anyways. Alright, how do we know that we can do one thing here to connect, like to disconnect? Should have been watching the real Twitch TV oh, the fake one that got raided. Man, you know how long I've been trying to get that dang username? Every few months I check, but it's not there. I mean, popular typing test website, and I think Type Racer is one of them. There's also Monkey Type. It's another popular one. I'll report the account. No, you don't have to do that. I think I should just keep it with the underscore now because it, who knows? It's all right. This probably should be an easy. Just do the min cost max from top left to bottom right. If the flow is less than 1, return true. Hold on, man. I don't know what that means. Just do min cost max flow. Max flow. I still don't know what you're talking about, but say no more, man. Say no more. I'll think about that a little bit. Key BR is also a website to improve typing skills. Never heard of this one. Keymash.io is another good one. Because you don't want to get a new sign? Maybe. Yeah, I've never even heard of MaxFlow Don't Defense. Yeah, Q knows what's up. Like, never even heard of MaxFlow. Min cut MaxFlow. It's a joke. Yeah, I don't even know it's a joke because I don't know anything really. All right, let us think. What can we do? What can we do? Min cut. I've only seen that particular type of problem in university. I studied that in my algo class. Dang, y'all got algo classes? I've done several in ICPC. By the way, ICPC World Finals. What's up? It's going on right now, man. I don't know, maybe Raxo is there or something. I don't know who's out there. But I'm sure there's at least a couple people from chat. ICPC's a scam? What you talking about, Tomo Mami? Wait, Tomo Mami, were you the one telling me that ICPC tells people like don't do competitive programming because they don't want like young people wasting their lives? Mincut was day 25 advent of code problem. Not that I knew that. Yeah, that's why I don't do those late days, man. Yes, they want cheap labor. Yeah, maybe you're onto something. All right, we got to think about this dang Q3 though. How can we tell? So maybe it's like, I mean, how do you know, man? I guess at any point, I'm thinking, like if we can go from the top left to the bottom right, and maybe like there's one row or one column in the path with only one set bit, maybe that's like an answer. So maybe we can remember all the rows and columns that we go into from the top left to the bottom right. And then we just need to find one of those cells or one of those rows or columns with only one set bit. Because that means since we can only go up, down, left, right, like if there's a whole row of zeros or a whole column of zeros in the path, then he can't make it, right? Maybe I'll try and implement that, see if it works. I cheese it with graph viz. I don't even know what that is. Graph viz, is that a website? Man, Icy Black Deep, cheesing it on Advent of Code. Shame on you, man. Only old people should do competitive programming to waste their lives? Yeah, maybe. Maybe if more old people did competitive programming, it would like improve their mental health or something. I will never allow it to become a sport. I feel like it kind of is a sport. I got the night rank on LeetCode now. Boolean Cub 3 or Boolean Cube. Congrats, man. I remember when I first got my night badge, I was super stoked. I think it's a great accomplishment, but man, it looks like you're far beyond night. It looks like you're a dang mega guardian, man. And you go to UCF, one of the top ICPC schools out there, man. Boolean Cube. Is your school at ICPC World Finals right now? Maybe they left you behind, man. Or maybe, are you on the team? Or maybe you're just not on the team. I don't know. But you're a dang guardian in my eyes. You look like you'd be on the team. Is UCF better than UF? I think for sure in competitive programming. I'm on the junior varsity team, Boolean Cube. That is super exciting, man. I mean, you look really good. I think you're ranked, like you just got your night badge, but I think you're about to get your guardian badge in like 2 weeks. How do we accept this? Really? Salary prices are the only asset they do market manipulation on. They do these mass layoffs and let people starve a little and they can rehire 2-3 years later. You think ICPC is doing all of this, man? Imagine companies doing this with oil or something. Man, that's some serious conspiracy vibes out here, Tomo Mammy. But I like it. I like that type of theory. Alright. So let me try to do this dang problem with the idea of we just DFS. Does it say that we can always make it from the top left to the bottom right? Who knows? But I think we just have to find that row or column with 1 bit set, and then we can return true or false on that. So let me try to think about how to implement. First, I'm gonna do my rows like that, my calls like so. Flip zeros a valid answer too. Yeah. Maybe I also need to keep track of row bits, row bit counts. And then column bit counts or something. And I guess let me just make the DFS to go from top left to bottom right. How are we gonna do that? How come salaries aren't public traded? Public traded? What? They could do regional average programmer salary options or build. average salary and so on. I didn't see one answer that convinced me why I cannot trade salaries on the stock market. What are you talking about, man? I don't know what you're talking about. When do you think is a good time to go ham on LeetCode contest? I have about 200 questions solved, but I already did a few contests. I've noticed that many people who have high ratings have 700 plus questions done. I'm loaf bun. I think it's time to go ham when you start training LeetCode, because like, I think taking the contest is a great way to track your progression as you're studying, you know. So even if you're new and you don't really know what to do, if you take the contest, maybe you can only solve one problem. That is fine, man. Don't you worry about that. Maybe in like 6 months, you'll start solving 2 or 3 problems. And it's so nice to just be able to look at your graph and you can like visually see your progression, you know. I think that is motivating to see that your training is working, like your hard work is paying off and your contest rating is going up. The more problems you do, the higher ranking goes. It means like you're learning more, you're able to like identify patterns easier, you're able to implement faster and more correctly. And I think if you don't take the contest, it's hard to like really get some information on that type of stuff, man. So I'd say start taking the contest ASAP. You inspired me to do LeetCode contests. I didn't know LeetCode had them. Oh, Boolean Cube. I remember you came in here from Code Forces talking about I'm a master, Code Forces master. Can I do the LeetCode contest? Yeah, man, for sure. But I think LeetCode contest might be a little bit too easy for you, but I still think it's super fun to compete because there are some really good people that also compete, and maybe like it will help you on your speed and accuracy. Even though the problems might not be as hard as Code Forces, you do have to like read the problem fast and have a perfect implementation for like to get, you know, in the top 100 or top 200 or something like that. So it still is beneficial to you, I think, in some ways, even though you're well into Code Forces. 1,000 LeetCode problems. Oh yeah. Sorry I diverged. Yeah, no worries, man. But I still, salary prices are manipulated artificially. I don't know. I think that's just like capitalism at work, man. Isn't everything artificial? Kind of, except natural things. Anyways, you have to pay to learn on LeetCode. That's Andrews. Welcome to the party. You don't have to pay anything to learn on LeetCode, man. LeetCode is a free website, but you do have to pay for a premium. And what you get with premium is not that much. I wouldn't recommend it. Anyways, let me get this implementation because I really do feel like I've solved the problem logically. I just need to implement now. But I forget what I was doing. Like, I guess, all right. So if we go out of bounds, should this be, what should this be? A Boolean? And then we're gonna be like, if it's a 0, return false. And then if we get here, I guess we can say if it's, I'm just gonna change the cell to a 2 if I've seen it. What question number is this? Preet Patel from YouTube. This question is 2556. There's a link. Man, what is that? So if we get here, it must be a 1. And then oh, Bet Simp. Thank you very much for the raid. What's happening, Bet Simp? How are you doing? So I want to count my bits. And then I just want to go up, down, left, right. Up, down, left. I don't even know if that's not the directions, but down, up, right, left. Right? Oh, wait. There we go. So I'm gonna just call this DFS. From 0, 0. Oh, wait. We also gotta be like, if row equal end and C equal end, return true. Yeah, so now these are all, yeah, I just gotta make sure that there is a 1 bit in any of these things, right? Yeah. So let me iterate through all of that stuff. This is like for row and bit count in, what was it called? Row bit count. If bit count equal 1. And can reach. I think this might do it, man. We're about to find out. I guess we can say if we cannot reach, then just return true. That's an interesting way to implement DFS. Never seen that before. What do you mean, like the lambda? I learned that from Bet Simp. And who else used to always push me to do lambdas? I think Zed or somebody. All right, how much time do we have left? 21 minutes. Let's see. Oh, this might work. It also might not work. Oh. True, but false. How is that possible, man? Oh, because that's supposed to catch it. Maybe I have to like increment this up here. Oh, you know what? Yeah, no, I do it right there. This is a tough one, 27.2% acceptance. Yeah, it seems pretty tough, but I feel like I have a way, man. I just need to fix my implementation. Heck, why is this not working though? So if we can't reach, let me see. Maybe I should just see out can reach, man. Let me hide this. Need more real estate. Look, can reach is true. Okay. So then if the row bit counts, that should be 2. So none of those. But in the column bit counts, man. That should be 1. That's crazy. Let me see what's going on in here. There's an LR going on. I missed it. A what? Oh, douche 1729. Ohio to you. Are you? No, you're not there yet. You're practicing your Japanese, man. Look at that. There's a 1-1. Oh, wait. It's supposed to be false. Wait. Oh, hold on. Why is this false? Not yet? A bit of Japanese? Yeah. Ohio is a good word to know in Japanese. Let me read the question again. How is that? Is it because... I don't get why that one is false. Oh, you cannot flip cells at 0, 0, and 1, 1. I see. I missed that line right here. So, and row not equal 0. And call not equal 0. I think that should do it now. That's Andrews. Thank you very much for the follow. Wait, what? Sov2231. Thank you very much for the follow. Oh, I forgot. Not just... Man. Calls -1. Man, I can't even read that. It's so long. It's too long. Let me just break it up a little bit. Alright, for sure this is gonna work. That how it's spelled? Thought it was Ohio or something? Yeah, this is not how it's spelled, man. Oh, this problem is too hard for me. Let me think. Like, why is this one not working? Let me take a look. So, oof. Look at that, man. Oh, that's interesting. Do we have to do a YouTube? Y'all want to check out my shorts? My latest short video. So maybe if there's one thing in a diagonal, then it's also false, right? Man, this one is too hard. Not long, big brain. What? What are you talking about, man? William Buttlicker, welcome to the party. How are you doing? It's pretty tricky. All right, BetSimp. Hear me out. I'm trying to say, like, I thought if we only had like one column or row with like one set bit, then that's like the only way we could get there. And if we set it to 0, then it wouldn't work. But now I'm thinking maybe I also have to check the diagonals, the anti-diagonals. So if there's like, let me test that theory out. So let's say all right, here we go. This is the only set bit in this let me get my pen out. Oh, what I'm doing is not the correct answer. I see. It's like right here, there's only, I'm just trying to prove it to myself. So let me turn these into zeros. So the path would be like, let's say, like this. So the path is like here, and here. But since this diagonal only has one set bit, if we eliminated that, then there's like no path. Are you sure this won't work, BetSimp? Hector HSC, thank you very much for the bits. And William Buttlicker, thank you very much for the follow. Hector HSC, man, I'm probably gonna have to start giving you some red diamonds because it's taking up so much space. Wait, say it again. The bits popped. All right. I'm trying to keep counts of like how many bits are set in each row and each column. And then I'm DFSing from the beginning, like the top left, and I just count the bits in each rows and columns as I go down. And then I check if there's like one set bit in any row or one set bit in any column, then we can't reach. But now I'm thinking I also have to add the diagonals and the anti-diagonals in there. You already see an issue in my DFS recursion. Are you sure? Maybe it's because I'm unorthodox. Can only go in 2 directions? Wait, what? What do you mean? Oh, I see what you mean. So you can only go row +1 or column +1. Oh, maybe, I don't know if that changes things for me though. But maybe it changes maybe it does. Let me think. But I guess I'm so close to just implementing this diagonal thing, I might as well try it. Short is about long, yeah. I said big brain because I thought it was smart to rename the short to not long. I see what you're saying, douche. I'm not that big brain, man. I'm not that big brain. Classic reading issue. Been there, done that. Yeah, reading is my biggest weakness, I'd say. How long ago do you start streaming on Twitch? My first stream ever was on June 1st. Maybe 2nd? 2021. Alright, so the diagonal is R plus C, right? Yeah, maybe this isn't the way though. No, maybe this one is R minus C. Hold on. I think I'm gonna remove this part. And I'll just not increment in here. So I'll be like, if row is, how do I say, if row equals 0 and call equals 0, don't do anything. This is like caveman style, man. Don't do anything else, do everything. Have you done a problem similar to this one before? Nah, I have not. So I'm like struggling out here. All right, that's all I got, man. I think if this doesn't work, I'm giving up. Looks like I'm giving up, man. But hold up, why is this true for this case? I wonder where. I wonder, because oh, it's like this one. Oh, I see. Nah, this idea doesn't work for sure. What's the diagonal thing I'm trying? I don't even want to explain because it just doesn't work. I thought I had a great idea, but it's not. Maybe this problem is just beyond me. So I was trying to say, I guess, before I introduce these diagonals in there, this test case messed me up. But I was trying to say that if there's a column with only one set bit, or a row with only one set bit, then for sure we can just turn off that bit and then the DFS cannot get past it, right? But then they give me this case where the one set bit you turn off is in the middle here. But every row and every column has like multiple set bits. So this test case proves my theory wrong, and I just don't know what to do, like what else to try. Let me see. Brett solved it. Should we just look at Brett's answer? 5 minutes left. Or what? Yeah, I think I've given this problem enough thought to check out a solution from Brett. Jesus. What the hell is this, man? Gosh. Oh look, Brett did the same move I did. Oh, what's that extension you're using, man? This is called LeetRooms, and we're actually, it's a multiplayer. So right now there's like a bunch of us in here. No, Colin Chris doesn't participate in LeetRooms. He used to. Maybe he's like too busy these days. In Rosis, in the house. What's happening? The great nation of Japan, yeah. Oh, snap. What's today, man? Man, I missed it. Oh, Het Tennis, thank you very much for the raid. Yesterday was Shogun, and I didn't even watch it, man. But I watch it after stream. Well, maybe it's too late after stream. I will watch it tomorrow or something. Boom, small raid, Het Tennis. Appreciate any raid of any size, don't you worry. I heard it's so good. Asia C Mac. I enjoy it. Mostly, I enjoy it. I think it's too gory. I don't know if you like violence like that, but there's a lot of really gross stuff. It's people dying in very gruesome ways. Lots of innards spilling all over the place and just torture stuff and ugh, you know. I don't like those parts. I always close my eyes. But besides that, what else don't I like? I thought there's like a string of 2 or 3 episodes where it was just so slow. Everybody just talking all the time, man. Talking. I'm tired of them talking. I just want to see some fights, but I don't want to see like gruesome fights. I only want to see like somebody getting stabbed is okay, but somebody getting sliced open and having their intestines spill out and their eyeballs popping out. I don't like that kind of stuff. Midnight bedtime Simon, yeah. Man, I've been sleeping at like 3 a.m. the last few days, editing these dang YouTube shorts. I read Shogun in high school. It was good. Have you seen the show Het Tennis? Like I think Game of Thrones wasn't as gory as this one. Web sockets or SSE. I don't even know what SSE is. Shygon TV, what's happening? What the hell is SSE, man? Server sent events. I don't know, man. WebSockets sounds fun. Watch the old miniseries? I don't know. There's a Shogun miniseries or what? Kill Bill style? I don't think Kill Bill was too bad. Kill Bill gore was so exaggerated, it didn't even feel like I was watching something real. But all the gore and stuff in Shogun felt like it was real, you know? Wait, dang. Well, I guess this room's almost done, man. Does LeetCode score you differently depending on complexity or reject the solution entirely? Yeah, so if your time complexity is too slow, you'll get rejected entirely. So it's a pass or fail on LeetCode. And usually, like, I guess you can just kind of know which time complexity will pass given the constraints. The problems give you the constraints. So like for this one, they say it's a grid of 1,000 by 1,000. And each thing, yeah. Well, They say m by n is going to be 10 to the 5th. So you have to write an algorithm that will pass with that in mind. The episode with the cannons was brutal. Yeah, I agree, man. But I think the thing that got me the most, maybe, I don't want to give spoilers, but the dude in the beginning who got executed in a not so nice way, and you could hear him screaming all over the place. I think that one wasn't great. Anyways, I guess that's it for this LeetRooms. Q3. Oh wait, let me try and understand what Brett did for Q3. I don't know if I will be able to understand. So this looks like I don't even know what this is because it's not returning anything. Oh, he's changing them to 2s. So Brett is going in and he's marking the path from the top left to the bottom right with 2s. So we know what the path is. And then now he's going from the back, from the bottom right, and he's marking it with 3s. And then what? And then he forgot the print statement there. Oh, Brett, what's happening? Yeah, I'm trying to decipher what you're doing. So I'm lost. I mean, I understand this part, but I haven't really read this yet. But you have a queue. You add the 3s or something. Like if it's a 3 cell, you put true. Who knows, Brett? Was trying on an idea easier to just do 2 DFS. I can code that quickly. Preets, thank you very much for the follow. Wait, did you go to oh, Preet, first time chat. What's happening? Welcome to the party. I did not go to school for computer science. I went to school for mechanical engineering, and I learned how to program on the streets, man. I taught myself how to program. But Twitch taught me how to do LeetCode and algorithms. So I started programming like 10 years ago. And I started doing algorithms like 4 years ago, 4.5 years ago. All right. What are y'all saying, man? Should we do one more room? Or wait for Brett's solution for this one? Let me read a hint. A graph with edges between adjacent cells. Right. If you can find 2 non-intersecting paths, then the answer is false. Otherwise, it's true. How do you know if it's non-intersecting? It's false. 2 non-intersecting paths. But then if they intersect, do you think it would make a good channel point reward for us to change your language? Nah, man, I'm not doing that. That's for sure. Also, this is Preet Patel. This is just my main account that I forgot the password to, but recovered it. I see. Preet Patel from YouTube. Yeah, I'm sorry, like I'm not as responsive to the YouTube chat. It's like to the side of my screen, and sometimes I don't see it. But my Twitch chat is like to the right side, and my eyes kind of just go there naturally. Spamming Rust or C is the strat for that. What? For the channel point thing, man? Anyways, let's do one more room, and we'll see what we'll do after that. There's a code for the new room if anyone is interested. We got 2 out of 3 for the easy. We've got sum of square numbers, construct binary tree from in order and post order traversal, and minimum number of moves to make palindrome. All right, but first I'm going to check out Brett's solution to see if I can understand what's going on. Dang, what the hell? So if we're out of bounds, return false. If we've seen it, return false. If we're at the end, return true. I'm not sure what that is. I guess we're just marking the first cell as you can't flip it. Or wait, if wait. Oh wait, if it's not the top left, we just turn it off. Oh, so if you can't even make it to the bottom right, we return true because like you can't even get there. And then if we made it there, how does this work? We see if we can make it there again. I don't understand why this works. Oh, it's the or. Because you're just, yeah, I understand this now. So it either chooses this path, and then if this is good, it doesn't go anymore. But if that's not good, then it goes and tries the next path. So this is like you're only finding one way from the top left to the bottom right. And then as you go that way, you're marking it as 0. So you mark it as seen. And then if you can't make it down there, it's true. But then if you can make it down there, you run it one more time to see if you can make it there again. I like it. My way of thinking about this problem is computing number of ways to go from there to there, and number of ways to go from bottom right to each cell. Then row column disconnects if and only if the product of these two numbers is equal to the number of ways to go from. I was thinking about some number of ways things, but then I decided not to pursue that because maybe I was missing something. Wouldn't the last line cover the next to last line? Heelstone 007. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Wouldn't the last line cover the next? No, because the first time you call it, you're like modifying the path, you know, and then so if you made it there once, like now when you run it again, it's impossible to take the same path. So the second time you run it, you must find an alternate path, because as you're going down this path, you're marking them as zeros. Houston 007, thank you very much for the follow. And Smart Coder, it's time for a little type racer, where you can't go backwards. Oh, you mean like the solution works because we can only go down and right, and it's not a 4-direction thing. Out of the madness, what's happening? It's essentially calculating Pascal's triangle. Oh, I know about Pascal. To do a number of ways style solution. Out of the madness. Interesting. Well, thank you very much, Brett and BetSimp, for sharing those answers, man. I don't think this solution would have come to me. This is some big brain stuff, man. All right, back to the current room. Oh wait, type racer, type racer. Who's here for type racer? Let me drink some water. Man. Oh, there's an ad break. So if you got ads, you can watch on the YouTube. Yeah, everyone is in ads probably. Or maybe they're just not here, man. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Type racer. L. Minson, here's a code. Watch ads support Simon. Yeah, thank you, but I don't, if it was up to me, man, I'd take off every single ad, but Twitch forces me to have ads. All right, type racer. First race, man, you already started. The first race is just the warm-up. Easy passage. Yeah, that was pretty easy. I think I had good speed throughout the whole thing, except I started late. OMG, dang, 84. Wait, what? OMG. All right, championship round is about to begin, man. That was just the warm-up. What happened, Asia C Mac? Anyways, we got championship round. Oh shit. Oh, could be anybody's. Ah! Oh man, Tomo Mami, congrats. I can't believe it either, man. I messed up. I made a big mistake, man. Tomo Mami, congrats, man. Oh, I boofed it. Asia C Mac. Oh no. Where is Don't Defense? Yeah, where is Don't Defense? Dang, 69. Icy Black Deep got the 69 also. Maybe. Geez, so wait. Tomo Mami with 102. Man. I was expecting some super high speeds there, but I think everybody kind of messed up. Where are we at? Where are we at? Tomo Mami with a 102. Newest type racer champ, Tomo Mami. Congrats. I've never seen anyone use nano on purpose before. Man, everybody comes in here. There's like a good chance somebody's gonna say something about nano. I didn't know nano has so much hate out there. No shade? Okay, sorry, I misunderstood. But lots of people like to like to come in here telling me nano is whack. Why do you use nano? Neovim all the way. Things like that. Nano is a cute car. What? Shady from YouTube. What's happening, Shady? Welcome to the party. I was caught off guard. Yeah, maybe I'm like the only person in the world who uses nano besides Icy Black Deep. Dare W by Marshall. Or is it the Ruby Marshall? Thank you very much for the follow. All right, look at that. Tomo Mami. First type racer championship. Look at all these champs out here, man. This is 2 years of type racing right there. And Tomo Mami, boom, first time. Emacs. B. Brian. I've tried Emacs one time in my life, and I was like, nah, man. It's too much. It feels like I don't have time to try and learn that stuff. I feel like learning Emacs is like learning how to play Dwarf Fortress, man. I'm still trying to play Dwarf Fortress, and I just don't know how to do it, man. I don't feel like to invest time into learning how to play that dang game, even though I've heard it's one of the greatest games of all time. Just like how I've heard Emacs is like the greatest editor of all time. But the skill ceiling or the learning curve is so high, man. Like, it just turns me off. Anyone remember using Pine for email? I don't even know what Pine is, man. I used to use Outlook, like Microsoft Outlook, the program for email. Should we try some problems or what? Nano is just a meal that satisfies your hunger but doesn't make you feel like you ate a good meal. What? Well, sometimes you just want to eat some snacks, man. What game? Dwarf Fortress. Dwarf Fortress is fine, but you haven't lived until you've cooked a polenta using only a spreadsheet. What are you talking about? A what? Cooked a what? Using only a spreadsheet? What does that mean? I think I've had this before. Sometimes at work, there's all these weird foods I've never seen in my life, and this looks like one of them. You weren't kidding about the nano shade? Yeah, man, it's real out here. Polenta is northern Italian food, apparently. Alright, let me try and solve some problems. I was thinking maybe I should like hit the hard problem first. Alright, if this hard is below 2200 or 2250, no, if this is below 2200, I'll try it. Wait, what? Oh, 2090. That means I gotta try it. Polenta is like old people food. What? It's very popular here in Brazil. Do only old people eat it out there? Polenta sucks. Oh, pancake. Have a good time at college, man. Pay attention in class and don't be joking around. No shade to Brazil, but polenta sucks. Wait, why does it suck? Is it the texture, Asia, that you don't like? Or is it the flavor? Is it just bland? Just maybe... It looks like a mashed potatoes or something. Maybe we can replace nano hate with polenta hate. Man, so bland. Like, oh yeah, like baby food. It does look like baby food. Polenta wishes it could taste like mashed potatoes. Man, everybody, I think polenta is more hated on than nano. All right. So Pankaj wants a variable named Goat Simon. Sure. Dang, Brett's already almost done. I haven't even done one problem. But we got Brett in the house, system design. We got Tomo Mami. Dang, Tomo Mami did... Wait, what the hell? You just submitted those, man. My Can't Touch, Pankaj, Elminson, Betsimp, Boolean Cube. Thank you very much for joining the party. Saw these problems already just submitted. I see. All right, let me read this problem. You are given a string S consisting only of lowercase English letters. In one move, you can select any two adjacent characters of S and swap them. Return the minimum number of moves needed to make S a palindrome. Note that the input will be generated such that S can always be converted to a palindrome. I don't know. I don't know how to do this one, but let me try and reason through it. Hmm. 2,000. So if they're adjacent, you can swap them. Abhishek Gupta from YouTube. What's happening? How am I doing? I'm doing all right, man. I'm trying to solve this problem right here. And it may or may not be too hard for me, but I'm about to think of it. It's 2100 should be doable, I guess. Yeah, I think it should be doable, but palindromes, not my strongest topic. All right, what are we gonna do, man? So I suppose each letter needs to be a certain position, right? So like this A needs to be here, or this A needs to be here. So maybe it's like I don't know yet. I'm using a bootleg LeetRooms extension for Firefox and it's not working at all. I think I may just have installed 15 different viruses. Boolean Cube. Dang. So there's no LeetRooms extension for Firefox. It is only supported on Chrome. So maybe you gotta download Chrome just to do LeetRooms or something. Alright, so this one they say the answer is 2. So wait, Boolean cube, are you, man, where's it located? I don't even know where it tells you. Luxor? It's in Egypt. The contest will start 6 a.m. Eastern. Are you there right now, Boolean Cube? Are you in Egypt right now? Because no. Oh, wait. So you are not there, but some of your teammates are there. Like, you said you're on the junior varsity team or something. Yeah, I know UCF is like a super strong competitive programming school. All right, let me think. So I say this answers 2 because it's like either this T needs to go here, this E, or this E needs to go there. This L needs to be at the end. And that's 2 moves. Rooting for 2 teams from UCF tomorrow. Man, are you gonna wake up at 6 a.m.? That's a little bit early. But I guess if my teammates were out there, I'd probably wake up too. Man, I really don't know what to do here. Man, Alexander Carlston from YouTube, what's happened? Jim Bob Badaduke, how you doing? Just Incredible Studios, welcome to the party. How are you doing? Oh, by the way, all you YouTubers out there, if you're interested in joining this LeetRooms, there is the code, and you got to download an extension for Chrome only from LeetRooms.com. 81 rings, what's happening? How hard do you think it'll be to get an interview at Google without a degree? I've heard it's pretty hard these days because hiring ain't popping like that, especially in the US. But hiring is popping off in like India and Brazil and other places right now. So I think it's a little bit difficult if you're in the USA, but not impossible. I'll say I haven't seen any new people like from outside of Google join my org in a long time, man. Like years, you know. Like we do get new people, but they're usually like internal transfers from other orgs. I haven't seen an external hire in such a long time. Haven't even interviewed anyone. Haven't heard any of my teammates interviewing people, or if they do get interviews, it's like from India or Brazil. Didn't Gentle get one last year? Yeah, Not Gentle got one. I think Not Gentle doesn't have a degree, but that was like a year ago or something. So it's not impossible, man. Don't mind me asking where you work. I work at Google. Infra teams have a lot of openings at Google. I am on an infra team, but I guess there's a lot of infra teams. I think cloud is your best bet. That's what I think. Which firm do I work? Which firm? I work in Core. Cloud Infra Suite. That what face? Wait, what? I made a face? Man, this problem. I have no idea how to do this one. But I feel it's something n squared. Almost. Or maybe you have to split. Maybe you gotta, I don't know, man. I really think hiring will be normal again soon. Maybe not quite 2020, 2022 levels, but at least normal. I mean, it must come back at some point, man. As people retire or quit or stuff, like they have to be replaced. I don't think they're gonna replace the whole country with, or the whole the whole company with people from other countries. I wish one day we can work in the same team. Yeah, you never know, man. Tech is a small world, apparently. What kind of projects do you work on at Google? I work on policy infrastructure. So it's like just making sure we're following all the regulations out there and building solutions to support that. Building and integrating those solutions, I guess. That's cool. Yeah, I actually really enjoy my job. I enjoy the work. I think it's super interesting stuff, and I'm learning a whole lot every day. I'm learning tons of things that I feel I couldn't really learn elsewhere just because of the scale. Ganpati party? Nah. What else? I really enjoy my team. Like all my people I work with, not just my immediate team, but my org. Everyone in the org is really cool and friendly and nice to work with for the most part. I've only had like one bad experience at work, and that was somebody from a completely different org. And I had to tell them what's up, you know. Hiring also seems to be frozen this year in India for freshers. Dang. Gupta, are you at Google too? Or something? I don't know. Anyways, how are we gonna solve this problem? That's what we really need to think about. Sergeant Pepper in the house. How are you doing, Sergeant Pepper? How's everything going? Hey, Sergeant Pepper. You stream, right? You stream sometimes, or am I tripping? I'm a student, third year, I see. Can't log into LeetCode, not at my main PC. Oh, dang. Wait, you can't log in from your alternate PC? Thought he had a band? Wait, who had a band? Had to fight tooth and nail for an internship as a fresher this year. But you got one, man. Boolean Cube secured that internship. Very nice. Sergeant Pepper, do you do LeetCode on your stream? Or what? Or you're not really into that? Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. Oh, yeah. Come on now. I know what you're talking about, Icy Black Deep. I just didn't connect the dots, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing Rust dev while learning. I see. Man, I used to really enjoy listening to the Beatles, but these days I don't even listen to anything. I hardly listen to music, unless it's Lo-Fi Girl. I want to but finish up a side project first, building a Twitch chat log and bot that runs in my terminal. Sounds pretty cool. I don't have any side projects, man. Except, I guess, this channel. Alright. I don't know what to do. I think... Let me look at the topics. Wait. I have a feeling it has something to do with the positions of each character and where they need to be. But I don't know how to make like a solution based on just that, you know? What's your idea for this problem? Yeah, that's the problem. I don't have any ideas. And EC Frances, or EC Fanches, welcome to the stream. Mostly listen to lo-fi and classical music nowadays. Yeah, that's basically what I do too. I got no ideas, man. So if you can throw me a bone, I would appreciate that. So maybe it's like... I gotta move that A there. Or I gotta move this B there. So maybe I just keep swapping to the right spot. No, I don't think that's a good. Q4 has an annoying edge, or has annoying edge cases. If LeetCode didn't allow us to look at the test case that we missed, I would have never solved it. All right, let me look at the topics. 2 pointers. Binary index tree. I don't even know what that is. 2 pointers. Do you know about segment trees? Not really. I don't really know about them. Bonfire, how you doing? What's up? I'm just stumped on this problem. I might just do like some other problem, like the easy or the medium, because I have no ideas. You can replace a binary index tree with a segment trees. Yeah, that's beyond me, man. Didn't solve it with binary index tree or segment trees. Big crypto cat. What's happened in JS? I can't even read JS, man. That looks crazy, whatever this is. Arrow function one liner. Cool. I'm Loafbun. Thank you very much for that follow. Jordan Paul KS. What's happened? I'm doing all right. How you doing? I didn't ask you in the other stream, but do you know about the roadmap on LeetCode.io? Any opinions on that? Yeah, I think that roadmap is all right. Any opinions on it? I think it's a good start. But I think you might need a little bit more. Woke Lottie, thank you very much for the follow. Yeah, but great start. And once you feel comfortable with all those topics, you should just start doing random problems. Test it with JavaScript. Oh man, I don't really want to submit, but I'll do it. I don't really know JavaScript that well. Doing Q4, Brett, I don't even know what to do, man. There's another variable. This is tricky since it's greedy. Yeah, I peeked at the topics, Brett, but even looking at the topics, I have like no idea. I mean, initially I'm thinking it has something to do with where each character is, and it's like either we gotta move a character to like the mirrored position on the other side or something else, but I don't know like how to select which ones to go where, you know. Clear out their code. What? Nah, it can't clear out their code out here. The fact that it's 2100 trips me up. Yeah. Wait, that is precisely what I did? Wait, what did you do? Move the character to its mirrored position. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking about, but I have no idea, like, how do you even implement that? How do you make decisions based on, like, if you have multiple things to do? Like, we could either, you know, we could move this second A to the last position, or I guess you could move, like, this A to that position, but then if you move it to that position, then this one gets moved. Like, I don't know. Wait, what is the cheapest letter to move to the outside, then proceed to the next spot? Oh, snap. I see. I see. So this one, okay. And man, I think that's all I needed. Maybe. So, all right, let me put my L's and my R's. So we either want to get this to an A or this to a B. So we got to figure out. Okay, so that's like, this one will be 2 moves, that one will be 2 moves. But how, like, how do you even do that though? Once, do you literally just swap them over? Like you simulate or something? And then once you do that, then you just move to the inside, and then these are already good, so then we can just keep moving. All right, let me try that, man. Let me try that. I don't know if I can implement it, though. I'll try. This problem reduces the counting inversions. Greedy. If you know what I'm talking about. I don't know what you're talking about, man. Inversions. Greedy. Never even heard those words together in my life. All right, let me hide this. We need a little bit more space. We have 20 minutes. Let me try and implement that idea that Brett gave me. So oh man, like how do I actually do it though? Do I make a DFS? Like I don't know, man. Should I just make it like a void? But then now okay, okay. So we need to like figure out I'm trying to think like what happens if there's a whole bunch of characters that are the same. Because once we start moving things over, then it like changes the position of other characters. So I don't know how to deal with that. Interesting. Maybe some type of I don't know. Basically, I just named what you described. Get last element and pop and move. JavaScript is better, man. I think this problem is too hard for me, man. Jeez. I cannot think how to even implement that idea. I think I see the idea, but man. Apparently it's a 2090. Yeah, it is 2090, which feels like okay, but man, it feels so hard. Oh wait, man, Just Incredible Studios. Sorry, sometimes I miss the YouTube chat. My alternate PC is gaming only and I don't have my password manager installed. I see. That makes sense. I've been watching your streams, recording in the background while I work during the day. While I work. Nice. C++ is better. Yeah, I think so too. Amit, what's happening, man? Approve my doctor's certificate. What does that mean? Doctor's certificate? Are you a doctor? Oh, wait, maybe recursive is too hard. So maybe I just do a little pointer action. Oh, your variable name. Oh, my bad. Jeez. Oh, you know what? I know what to do. So if they're equal, then I'll just do this. If they're not equal, then I gotta do something. What I do? If they're not equal, then I'm just gonna run them until they're equal. So wait, let me it's getting a little confusing, but let me try and draw it out. So like right now, this is my L, this is my R, and then I make a dang LL, right? And an RR. And I want to run this while SR not equal to SLL or SL not equal to SRR. Right? So now run my LLs and RRs. So like right now they're not equal. So I run that like that. And then they're still not equal because wait, SR. So this B is not equal to this A. So we got to do it one more time. And then now they're both equal. And then what? Do we just swap one of them back? Like we just keep swapping this with the next index until it gets to the position it needs to be. Oh wait, last time I was late to the stream, you told me to get the doctor's certificate. Oh man, I forgot about that. Maybe. Yeah, man, why are you so late again, man? But I guess you got the doctor's note, so it's all good. Yeah. Asking you if you're a doctor. Come on, man. Anyways, wait. If they differ increments, only if they differ. That means they're not equal is a slightly harder case. Yeah, slightly harder. All right, so what was I saying? I'm trying to do this right here. Yo, where's the format button? Format code. Man, that format button doesn't work. Jeez. All right, so then after this while loop is finished, that means SR must be equal, like one of them must be equal. So whichever one, I don't know if it matters which one we choose. Then we gotta like we gotta keep swapping until this is at the other end. This is getting weird. Do you ever use AI to assist you with writing code? All the time, man. I use it all the time at work. It just kind of, as I'm typing my thing, it will like autocomplete for me, and I just hit tab and it just knows what to do. It saves me so much time. Man, this is some super bootleg ass code. But so like while I don't know if I have the brain juice to solve this problem, man. Maybe I need to just look at somebody's implementation, because I feel like this is really bad code. I feel embarrassed for typing up this monstrous code. Should I just peek or should I keep trying? Oh, I don't know. All right. So once they're equal, I need to swap it into position. So this one is the right. That means we gotta swap this to the left. How many swaps equals to R minus LL maybe? Wait, R is the right minus LL. No, this should be L. LL minus L. That's what it would be. I'm gonna say K. I don't have time to be typing all that out. How do we swap this, man? So we just swap. And then that might be off by one. I don't know. Man, I can't read LeetSpeak, but Apprentice, thank you very much for the follow. Steven Sagiball, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. Left. Then we want this to go right. So right would be the biggest thing. And this one should be RR plus 1. Man, this is some crazy stuff here. I guess we can just move this out here. Alright, I know this is probably not gonna work, man, but I'm gonna just see what it looks like. Steven Sagiball. Your name is Jim Bob Babadook. Is that you? Is this question on Fenwick trees? Nah, I don't know, man. From YouTube, yeah. Someone has said segment trees, but maybe it might be overkill. Do you get your new badge? I have not gotten a new badge, man. Oh shit. We gotta figure out how many swaps. I don't know if that's good or bad that I haven't gotten my new badge. Nine? How the hell am I getting 9, man? Um, it's like this should have been 1. And then, yeah, how is that gonna be 9? Brett is on another level. Yeah, Brett is really good at these types of things. There's lots of people who are really good at these things. I ain't one of them. But I'm trying. Boolean Cube is really good at these things too. Alright, let's see. Let's see what the hell is going on here, man. So at 0, 5, that's when L and R like that. It's 5. That ain't true. That K should not be 5. That K should have been 1. Because we should hit that L. Let me see something. Try my C++ solution. Wait, give me some time, man. SR. L. I don't know if there's just a silly things going on that I'm doing, or zero to 5. What does that mean for me? I gotta think, man. My brain ain't really braining right now. That's the problem. So I made a copy of L. Alright, let me like figure out where my errors are. Like, I feel like this logic should work if I can implement it right, but man, my implementation is so whack that it's just crazy. So SR SLL not equal. Oh, wait. That should be an AND. Jesus. Come on now. Come on now. Let me see if that works. Too easy, man. It's so easy. This problem not even worth my time. It's so easy. Nah, this, man, my junk here. Whatever I have here is so crazy to read. I don't even know what it says. Simon the Goat? Nah, I don't think that variable name is accurate. Right away? Yeah, I had a bug, man, and it was... I've made this mistake so many times. I don't know why. Sometimes I use or when it should be and. Sometimes I use and when it should be or. And I don't even give it much thought until nothing works, and then I gotta like really read my code, you know. Bright Crusader, thank you very much for the follow. I hate so many edge cases. Let me check out some solutions here now. So Tomo Memi, let me look at what you did. Oh shit. Man, this is hardcore stuff. You got maps, you got lambdas, you got loops, you got casting, you got scene stuff, you got money. It's a crazy solution, man. I'm not even sure. I don't know what it does though. You got ternaries. This solution has it all for sure. Man, Brett finished the whole room. L. Minson finished the whole room. My Can't Touch also finished everything. Tomo Mami, full solves. System design, almost full solve. Q4 is kind of hard. Nicholas Combe, 3 solves, not bad. Everyone else, very nice. Boolean Cube, what? That's crazy. You got 2 wrong submissions. You must be joking around. All right, what should we do? We got like 30 minutes left. Look at my Swift solutions. I don't know who you are, man. DeLorean is back. Are you System Designs? Are you this? Which one? Check my PHP. Oh, wait, what? PHP. Where's your PHP at? This looks like Python. Did you link it? Oh, it's because Firefox bootleg wasn't working. I see. Yeah, makes sense. Man, I gotta sneeze. But it went away. I guess we can do like one more room and I'll leave like halfway through the room or something. But I want to like try more hard problems than medium problems. But first, if you say I gotta sneeze, the sneeze gets scared. Yeah, apparently, man. But not all the time. Interesting. Last element. I can't read PHP. I don't even know. What I'm looking at. But thank you for sharing. Wait, one more room, real quick. Maybe yeah, I guess I'll just try the hard. Here's a room code. And YouTube, here's a room code. Oh, Just Incredible Studios, sorry, good night. Have a good night. I just saw your message. I'm gonna start devlogs soon. Oh, snap. Very cool, very cool. Adios, Just Incredible Studios. If you're still around, have a good night, man. Can you solve all LeetCode problems in PHP? Absolutely not, man. I really don't know any PHP. All right. Height checker. Wait, let me read the problems. RLE iterator, minimum number of days to make M bouquets, and paths in matrix whose sum is divisible by k. I think. Ooh, can I do this one? I think I should have a chance. Let's read it. You're given a 0 indexed m by n integer matrix grid and an integer k. You are currently at position 0, 0, and you want to reach position bottom right, moving only down or right, not 4 directions. Return the number of paths where the sum of the elements on the path is divisible by k. It's getting cold. Alright, so let's look at an example. Here's the thing, and they say k is equal to 3. There are 2 paths where the sum of the elements on the path is divisible by k, and it's that one and that one. So is this like, I mean, do we just like DFS all the way down, keeping track of a sum? That can't be it, man. Hold on, I gotta pee. Be right back. All right. Since you're a Googler, saw this in one go. Yeah, right, man. I mean, I don't know. Should I check the rating on this problem? Or is the rating, is that not cash money? Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just try and solve it. Not in one go. Oh, wait. Solve this one in go. I see. Nah, actually, I do know a little bit of Go, but I'm not a fan. Maybe because I don't know too much about the language. Alright, let me try and science this out. So, for sure, I feel it's some type of DP. And here, it's like 5, 8, 8, 13, and 15. Right? Oh man, there's 50,000 cells, and K is 50. So what would my states like? We need an RC, that's 50K. I don't know, man. Dang, the whole squad misread it. Wait, what? It's actually all NM cells, so 10 to the 9 cells. Wait, what do you mean? Boolean cube. It's not. It says 10 to the 4th times 5 cells. I'm thinking like, do I just keep going? Wait, I think that's like the number of cells per row and per column. Wait, what do you mean, man? So this is the number of cells per column, and this one is per row. This is the number of rows, this is the number of columns. This is how each thing can be, and this is like the maximum number of cells, right? Have bad resolution. That looks like m plus n. It's actually m times m. Yeah. So it's like 50,000 cells at most. So I'm thinking it's some type of DP, and then like the states are row, column, and like some mod k or something. But where do I get a good mechanical keyboard again? I haven't bought a keyboard in a long time, man. But I think Keychron probably makes decent boards. But if you're looking to splurge, maybe Keychron is more like an entry-level board for like custom mechanical keyboards. Where do I go? Like Thock Stock? I don't know if this site is still a thing. Yeah, maybe we can check out some things here. I think I got this. I got 2 of these. I don't like these that much. I like the layout, but I don't like how it feels. I think I got this one, not the other one. I got the Night Runner edition. I haven't built it yet. I have a Keychron. I think a Q3 or something. Don't remember. No, not a. Maybe a Q2. I don't know, man. I should build one of those keyboards. Oh, I think I want this board. Premium Alice board. But anyways. The Moonlander. I'm not a fan of the Moonlander. Alright, we got 14 minutes, man. I can't be joking around. This is the final stretch. Let me try to like get something in. So I guess what are we gonna do? It's like if we're out of bounds. Man, what do we do? Maybe I should just not even visit an out of bounds, so I don't have to like check against it. So if we're at the last cell, then we want to make sure this is equal to 0 or something, because we're going to take the mod of the sum all the way down. And then it says we can only go down or right. Oh man, maybe. Hold on. Maybe this problem is easy with down or right. Let me think. I only got 14 minutes though, but I think I can solve this for sure, man. I'm just like low on brain juice. So I forgot it was down and right. I was thinking it's like up, down, left, right. But with down and right, maybe it's just like... no. No. All right, I'll just continue with whatever I'm doing here. So if we go down, it's like dp r plus 1 c, and then sum plus oh wait. Something like that. Maybe I can just do that up here. Something like this, right? And then I have to cache it, but I just want to see if it's like correct. Start from 0, 0, sum is 0. What else do you do? Brain juice sounds like code for drugs. Maybe. What does this mean, man? It's like maybe it's this. No. I don't know. Oh, I'm going like out of bounds. So I gotta check like, so, man, it's time for bed. That's also, I haven't been sleeping much the last few days. I think the last 3 nights I've been getting like 5 hours of sleep. So if down is less than rows minus 1, then we could go down. Wait, what am I saying, man? If R is less than rows, if C is less than calls minus 1, then we can go right. In Rosis, what's happened? Oh, did you just do this problem or something? I got MLE on contest because cache got memed on. Oh, I haven't even done my cache, but I'll see if it TLEs, and then I'm gonna try and cache on RC and sum. Nikhil B Panda. What's happening? All right, let me make this dang cache. So vector, vector, vector. Rows. Call rows vector vector. Wait, which one should we do first, man? Maybe we should do like 51 for K, or K plus 1. And go to the next line. Vector, vector. And then we'll do rows, vector, int. And then we'll do calls. And we'll fill it with -1s. And then we'll check like if cache some RC. If we've seen it, we should return it. And then we can just set that here. And then I didn't even do the mod thing yet. Wait, somebody told me I should always use a const int for the mod. Maybe Raxo told me that. So this is gonna be down plus right mod. Oof. Mod. Just do map thing. Oh. I feel like I've gotten so good at typing out these dang 3D caches and stuff. Like, it doesn't even faze me anymore to type out this crazy stuff. But I remember in the beginning, 3D cache, no way. It would take me like 10 minutes just to get the syntax correct. Alright, that one wasn't too bad. I think I was just like low on brain juice to like fully solve it properly. Const express, is that how it works? Expression. Let me see if it changes anything. No, I got slower. What the hell? Or maybe I put it like out here or something. Does that work? Oh, it got faster now. Let me do it one more time for good luck. And look, I solved it before midnight. Anyways, I think that's all I got in the tank. I don't think this is a 2K problem. I think this is like a 1900-ish problem. Maybe. Oh, piss bucket, man. What was the variable name? I didn't even see that, man. Jeez. There you go. Oh, shit. Forgot one. What was I gonna do? I was about to do something. And oh yeah, I was about to check the rating of this problem. 2435, 2435. 2435. 1951. Look at that. My zero track radar is pretty good, I'd say. Felt like a 1900. It is a 1951. Anyways, that's it. That's all. Don't forget, check out my new shorts. Appreciate all the likes and subscribes from my YouTube shorts. I'm trying to... Oh, shit. I ain't trying to watch that. I'm trying to actually grow my YouTube, you know? I think it's the only way forward for me. I have to start. Maybe I'll make like a TikTok also one of these days. But I feel pretty busy these days, man. Like I don't have much time to do anything. Cram Codes, thank you very much for the follow. Between work, like work is pretty busy right now. It was like kind of slow, but now it's like super busy. Got some big deadlines coming up in a few months. I'm gonna be going away next week. Next Thursday or something I'm leaving, so I won't be around for a while, like 8 days, but I put it up on the website the times I'll be away. I don't plan to stream during these times, but yeah, I don't plan. But if you do see me stream, it is because I want to try something new. D Remy, thank you very much for the follow. Boolean Cube, thank you very much. Thanks for tuning in, and man, good luck to UCF in ICPC, man. Ifigi of an Avatar, thank you very much for the follow. Is it time? Should I end it 1 minute early, or should I talk some nonsense for like 2 minutes and then leave? Let me look at the scoreboard. Dang, Zombie Killer Whale solved all of them. Too easy, man. Mike can't touch the last two. Very nice. Nicholas Combe, system design. Very nice. El Minson, I guess. Thanks for joining the room. Can you tuck me into bed before you end stream? Strike on, bro, man. What are you talking about? You need to be tucked in, man. You gotta pay big bucks for that. I was lurking this whole time. Well, thanks for lurking. Alright, look at the time, man. It's 12 midnight on the dot. Should we go raid somebody? Dang. Could raid Chi-Chi. We could raid Brent Arato. I feel like we raid Chi-Chi Impact all the dang time. So let's spread it around a little bit. Brent Arato or Awara Hoon. I think both of these people are good candidates to raid. Check Smart Coder Discord. Alright, I'm gonna check it. Should I check it right now or should I check it after stream? I'm doing it right now. You pinged me. Man, I'm so bad at Discord. I don't know how to see like when people at me and stuff, or like how to keep up with all that. I miss so many pings. Oh, Inros is talking to you. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah. I was like, what the hell? I don't see no dang pings out here. Brent Tarata is in light mode. Alright, well, let me give a shout out to this person. I really like their vibes. So shout out to Awara Hoon. But we're gonna go raid Brent Arato, because Strike on Bro said so. Alright, it's time for me to go. And don't forget, man, you gotta check out my YouTube shorts. I'm gonna try and post the YouTube shorts like every other day. So I've been going through all of my old VODs, trying to find interesting moments to clip and stuff like that. So it's a lot of work. It's been taking up a lot of time. I spend a few hours on it every night, trying to build up a backlog of shorts so I can like constantly upload them And we'll see how it goes. It's been fun so far, though. I've been enjoying editing the videos and whatnot. Anyways, Boolean Cube, have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. Good luck in ICPC to your team. Why Sane? Who's closer to Osaka? What do you mean? Oh, it's because of my shirt. I was wondering why everybody's saying Osaka today, man. And I just went to pee and I looked in the mirror and I remembered I got this shirt on. In Rosis, see you soon, man. Adios, Piss Bucket. Thank you for tuning in. Franco Demise, see you later. Asia C Mac, have a good night. Zombie Killer Whale, see you later. Alligator. Strike on, bro. Have a good night. Obes, take care. El Minson, adios. Icy Black Deep, see you later. Adios, everybody. And YouTube, have a good night, YouTube. I'm out of here.